me! Fucking mother! Oh, you got me!
The motovlogger, who witnessed everything, was left in shock and anger after seeing his fellow rider hit so violently.
Why don't go fucking spinning around corners like that? I'm gonna call 911.
Speed and ego, two things that should never go together on the road. Sometimes it only takes one moment of pride to turn a normal ride into something dangerous. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got a moment that reminds us why staying calm and focused matters more than trying to prove who's faster on the road. This incident started when a rider was touring with his friends. During the ride, he fell quite far behind the group. Trying to catch up, he overtook another rider wearing a white shirt. But that rider didn't stay behind for long. Soon, both of them were caught in a back-and-forth overtaking battle on this narrow stretch of road. Fortunately, the rider wasn't seriously injured. He later admitted he wasn't familiar with this route and didn't realize there was a sharp corner ahead. Let this be a reminder for all of us. Never let emotions take control of your ride. Stay calm, stay focused, and most importantly, ride safe. A morning ride that started calm quickly turned into chaos. Everything seemed normal until an older man suddenly tried to cross the road without checking for traffic. The rider hit the brakes hard to avoid him, but the biker behind couldn't stop in time. What's worse, the man who caused the accident simply walked away. No apology, no concern for the riders who fell because of his carelessness. Fortunately, everyone was okay. But this reminds us all, safety on the road is a shared responsibility. A rider was speeding down this winding road, corner after corner. Everything seemed under control until suddenly the unexpected happened. On a road in the Philippines, the morning ride seemed calm and peaceful. A rider was cruising leisurely, enjoying his weekend journey. But in an instant, everything changed. After overtaking a black car, he suddenly accelerated too fast for the corner ahead. He lost control, veered into the opposite lane, and a collision was unavoidable. Luckily, he survived, though his bike was heavily damaged. This incident serves as a reminder for all of us: never let adrenaline override caution. Even corners that seem easy can become dangerous if you overestimate your speed. On a quiet stretch of road, a rider was chasing his friend ahead, who was speeding down the highway. At first, everything seemed normal, just a simple pursuit, keeping up with the pace. But calm quickly turned into tension. As they approached a sharp corner, his friend lost control. The bike drifted to the left side of the road and within seconds collided with the tree at the roadside. Fortunately, his friend wasn't seriously injured. This incident serves as a stark reminder: high speed without caution can turn into danger in an instant. Always maintain a safe distance, watch the corners carefully, and never let adrenaline override good judgment on the road.
Nggak apa-apa kak. Oh ya. Mana? Orang ngajak aja. Karep wis. Dingin banget nih.
Oh no!
This unlucky incident happened when the rider was enjoying a weekend ride on a busy road in the Philippines. Just ahead of him, another motorcyclist with a passenger was riding smoothly in the same lane. The traffic looked normal, calm and steady, with no sign of what was about to happen. But that calm moment didn't last long. Out of nowhere, a dog suddenly ran across the road right in front of the two riders. Startled, the motorcyclist grabbed the front brake too hard, causing the bike to lift into a stoppie and flip forward, throwing both him and his passenger onto the ground. Fortunately, they both survived the crash without serious injuries. As for the dog that caused all this, it ran off and disappeared into the distance. This unexpected crash began when a motovlogger and a Harley rider ahead were cruising calmly down a quiet road in the United States. Both were riding at a normal pace, no risky moves, no rush. Everything seemed peaceful. But things changed the moment they entered a rural area. Out of nowhere, a black car came speeding toward them on the wrong side of the road.
Oh, you got me! Fucking brother!
In an instant, the car slammed straight into the Harley, throwing the rider high into the air before crashing hard onto the asphalt.
Oh, you got me!
The motovlogger, who witnessed everything, was left in shock and anger after seeing his fellow rider hit so violently.
Why don't you fucking spinning around corners like that?
The Harley rider suffered a concussion, a spinal injury, and several deep cuts on his leg. It's a harsh reminder that one careless mistake on the road can change everything. Stay alert, ride safe, and never let your guard down.